Welcome back, guys. Yes, I did clap. I'm just going to show y'all a quick and easy tapered hair twist out that I did on this very dry old wash and go. Yeah, y'all see that it's dry. Okay, so I am starting off on wet hair that I just put underneath the faucet, just wet it up. I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair just to make it a little bit easier to comb out and do the finger coils in the back and twist out in the front. And I'm pretty much just using my same exact go-to products that I've used for my previous video in my wash and go. If y'all have not seen that, definitely check it out. I'll make sure to include that link below. But yeah, this is a very quick and simple hairstyle. So I'm gonna stop talking and just let y'all see the whole process, okay? To show y'all a quick tutorial again of these finger coils. I used those two products in the beginning of the video, that curling cream and my gel, and pretty much I'm just finger coiling this hair around my finger. I have no particular method. As long as it pretty much just gets a coil around my finger, that's all I really care about. There is no correct parting or nothing. So yeah, that's it for that. Now, pretty much in the front of my head, I'm just going to go ahead and do my two-strand twist out. But another product that I'm going to be using for this is my curl enhancing foam, which I find that really helps dry my twist a lot faster. And on top of that, it just gives it more definition when I take these twists out. Now, everybody, of course, is different of what they use for their hair, but I know this foam definitely does help my twist last a long time. Finally, I am just going to take what are those things called? I guess you can call everything a scrunchie. Thank you. And just put that at the top of my head to make my twist stand up when they dry, just because it gives it more of a definition and a shape to it once I diffuse it with my diffuser also. Alright, so all my hair is diffused. As you can see, look at them coils. They is popping. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and untwist these twists and pretty much just fluff them. And I'll just show you how I get my little signature cute hairstyle. Y'all see those final results. Look at them curls. They is popping, okay? That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Typically lasts me about 3 to 4 days. And yeah, that's it. Just hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.